Garage renovation update. Look at that. Almost all the shelving has been ripped out. It looks like such a big room now. The floor is cleaned. Well, quote unquote cleaned. Only one freezer remains. I ripped out some stuff in here as well, like the doors and the shelving. But a couple other things need to be ripped out here, and then we're done. And it's up to the contractors. Garbage pile update. It's pretty much just wood and shelving. And rat shit, which is in those bags. There's lots more rat shit and wood. But we'll just come on to this side. And yeah, not too much for the garbage update, but yeah, as you can see, lots of shelving got taken out, which is good because less money for me to spend.